use Adobe Photoshop on your PC or Mac to change the size of nearly any image. First, if you haven't made a backup of the original image, click the File menu, select Save As, enter a new file name for the resized image, such as Photo Resized, and then click Save. Then click the Image menu and select Image Size. You'll see your image's current size in pixels next to width and height. If you'd rather use a measurement unit other than pixels, such as millimeters or inches, click the triangle next to Dimensions and select that unit. Now type the new width size into the width box. When you enter a width, the height value changes automatically to retain the image's proportions, ensuring that the resized version doesn't stretch or warp. If you need to specify exact height and width sizes, click the Link button to turn off automatic proportioning and then enter your measurements. A different way to resize the image is to grow or shrink it by a percentage of its original size. To do this, select % from the menus next to height and width, and then enter a percentage value. For example, if you want the height to be twice as large as it is now, you'd enter 200%. Once you're satisfied with the size settings, click OK to view your newly resized image. Remember to click the File menu and select Save so you don't lose your work.